Today's forecast is mostly cloudy, with sudden shifts to sunny and rainy. There is a 60% chance of rain in the afternoon. Temperatures will be a high of 10 and low of 3. Expect strong winds in the morning. I recommend.
We have a theory for this.
We think that the builders did this intentionally. Yes, you heard it right. They did it intentionally. Why would you block off the view from the other terraces, but then not the one that is crucial?
Your presentation is in half an hour.
That's why the builders allowed those on the top terraces to look out over the countryside and meditate on nature and not just the release.
So,
Honey, did you take the balloon?
Balloon deflate.
the release are separated into two categories.
Balloon, please add orange juice to my shopping list.
I have added orange juice to your list.
So sorry I'm late. Alright, Balloon, put the presentation on the screen. So with our branding workshop, we were trying to find a name for our new product that is this new vegan calorie-free chocolate.
Balloon, find me the cheapest dishwasher.
I have compiled a list of dishwashers.
If you guys have any more questions on the presentation, you just email me about it, and then we'll have another meeting next week. Balloon, invite everyone here for Monday 31st, 9 a.m. Is that alright?
And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out.
Namaste.
Namaste.